balance on the past, said there's no need to ask for more. Between the love that we seek and the love that's already there, I let it soften my soul and focus my stare. I said this life got me by the heart, said it's in a vice. Not too proud to go and seek advice when I know that I really ain't knowing nothing at all. I said perhaps I do. Made a transition and I finally got a clue, but I ain't got a clue on what to do when I'm sitting and waiting and forming a plan. When I'm taking my life in my hands, said that I am worthy. No matter what they say, I have purpose. When I'm following my dharma and I serve this, well, this is what I'm aiming for. Everything I need and all that I am grateful for. And this is where we find out how to live. Make me the trees and I swear that I'll give everything I can to keep air in your lungs, truth on your tongue. The work is never done. Yeah.
The work is never done. Soon as the moon falls, here comes the sun. Still work. The work is never done. Soon as the moon falls, here comes the sun.
Between the life that we lead and the one that we pray for, now give us balance on the past, and there's no need to ask for more. Between the love that we seek and the love that's already there, I let it soften my soul and focus my stare.
Yeah, I almost lost hope, but I didn't. Had to learn things the hard way to cope with the mission. Sometimes it seems so far away, and the vision that I followed didn't play out how I saw it. But the message and the lesson manifested in the knowledge that my love is the palette, groovy and colorful. My love is in spirit, physical and tangible. This love is worthy, but it's gonna take some work. If you're willing and available, there's things that we could learn. Between what comes naturally and what you gotta work for. Beneath all of that lies the beauty that you live for. Believe in the treasures that we all seem to dig for. Deep ninja health Buddha, you were made to transform. So go on with your bad self, put you back into it. Go on with your higher self, sweat and blood, prove it. If you want it, you can have it. Pay your dues, witness magic. Wrap it up in a package, give it back to the masses.
The work is never done. Soon as the moon falls, here comes the sun. Still work. The work is never done. Soon as the moon falls, here comes the sun.
Between the love that we lead and the one that we pray for, now give us balance on the past, and there's no need to ask for more. Between the love that we seek and the love that's already there, I let it soften my soul and focus my stare.